Hello, I am Eli with AdPlus. This video demonstrates how AdPlus uses the Google Ads API scope to manage advertising campaigns on behalf of our users. Our application uses one OAuth client configured in Google APIs. AdPlus is a multi-network ad campaign management platform. Users connect their ad network accounts through the OAuth. So let me show the Google Ad connection flow. We start by logging in. When the user logs in, they come on the connection dashboard. Here we can see that the card for Google Ad is disconnected. The user can then click on connect. They are redirected to Google's OAuth consent screen, where they authorize AdPlus to manage their Google Ads campaign. So we request only the AdWords scope as seen here. After granting access, the user is redirected back to AdPlus and the Google Ads account appears as connected. Once connected, we use the API to discover the user's accessible Google Ads account so they can select which one to manage. In this case, we will select the account to manage. Now let me show you how we use the AdWords scope in practice. I will create a new campaign using our AI planner. So the AI helped the user define their marketing strategy, target audience, budget, platform, and creative direction. I will prompt the AI with this prepared prompt. The user can review the proposed plan, and once the user approves the plan, the user reviews the campaign detail on this page. Including Google Ads specific settings like keyword, go back to the campaign. So the user can see the campaign specific details here. They can see settings like keyword, bidding strategy, and when they are ready, they can generate the ad copy. This page. So we will use the AI to generate the ad copy. So the user can review the ad copy and all the creative generated by the AI. They can approve and reject or replace some of those creative. In this case, let's approve everything. Now, AdPlus uses the AdWords scope to create the campaign, the ad group, the keywords, and a responsive search ad on the Google AI. So on the Google Ads API. So we will proceed and create the campaign on the network. So I said AdPlus uses the AdWord scope to create a campaign and all the details of the campaign, and this is created in a pause state so that the user has full control before any ad spend occur. Once this is created, they have a chance to review the campaign uh, another time. They can review the details of the campaign on this page and then decide to enable the campaign. This will enable the campaign on the respective networks. Let's, in this case, enable the campaign. We also use the API to apply geographic targeting, demographic targeting, and ad extensions like site links. And we can see that here. So these site links were created. Site links are automatically fetched from the user's landing page and attached to the Google Ads campaign. After the campaign is enabled, it's in the active state. After a campaign is enabled, it's in the active state, and we use the AdWords scope to collect performance metrics. Users can monitor Google Ads performance alongside all other network in one unified dashboard. So let's see an existing campaign here. Metrics are collected automatically and displayed here. We can see the metrics for different networks ad networks showing on this dashboard. Users can enable or pause their Google Ads campaign directly from AdPlus. Using these links, they can enable and disable the ad directly on Google Ad Network. They can also clean up a campaign which remove the campaign from Google Ads entirely. So the user can open a campaign, they can clean up the campaign. In this case, it removes all the artifacts of the campaign on the networks that this campaign is related to. Finally, a user can disconnect. A user can disconnect their Google Ads account at any time from the connection page. Disconnecting revokes the stored OAuth tokens, so no further API calls are made to the user's Google Ads account after the disconnection. That's how AdPlus uses Google Ads API, AdWords scope to create, manage, monitor, and optimize ad campaigns on behalf of our user with their explicit authorization. Thank you.